Hi, this is the HiGame Mini PC. Small, right? Well, never judge functions on appearances. It runs AAA games smoothly and quickly. Thanks to the new 8th Gen Intel Core i5 or Core i7 processor, the CPU clock speed reaches up to 4.1 GHz. The HiGame not only saves space, but also brings a stunning user experience for gamers and creators. We've all heard about the blockchain. It's becoming a huge deal, so why not share the joy? HiGame integrates the latest Radeon RX Vega M GPU, which can turn into a powerful cryptocurrency mining machine. Meanwhile, its super low power consumption keeps your electricity bills down. HiGame is also a graphical workstation with big performance. Designers can use it to do complex work in apps like Cinema 4D. Even modeling and rendering of complex projects can be done simply. A variety of interfaces allow you to connect multiple devices, supporting up to 5 displays at the same time. Meanwhile, the Thunderbolt 3 interface can extend another external GPU and loads of other devices. You want to have the big performance in a small case? Give HiGame a try. HiGame Mini PC will make your work and life easier.
The HP Z2 Mini is a remarkable device. It is about productivity, it's about performance, but yet it was really driven by design. HP's been able to put more technology, more power in a smaller form factor. It can mount anywhere, which gives you ultimate flexibility. Before, you were relegated to space that could accommodate very large workstations. That's not the way designers and engineers want to work today. They want to be in an open environment. They really want the freedom, the liberation, the flexibility. The HP Z2 Mini was designed by designers for designers. It is really a new way of thinking about technology, how things are done, how your office is really utilized, and to some degree, how we live our lives.
This is the GBox Mini PC. Tiny, right? It's light and portable. You can put it on the desk or sport it on the back of the screen with brackets to save space. Best for gaming at home. With the Gen Mini Lake N4100 with 4 cores, 4 threads, and the Gen 9 Intel HD graphics, it delivers fluent gaming experience without jumping frames. It brings you a mobile office. Financial data? Also no problem. It's perfect for simple office work. And don't be too surprised that it supports HD 4K videos. Smooth pictures with ultra definition bring you the ultimate visual feast. Just lie on bed and enjoy Ultra HD 4K videos. This is the new generation GBox Mini PC.